another episode on the mensuration. We want to find the value of x and y in this diagram. So looking at the diagram, you can see that these are two separate triangles or two separate right angle triangles. If we take ABD, it's a right angle. If we take ABC, it's a right angle. ADC is a different triangle, which we don't know whether it is isosceles or scalene. All right. Now, the easiest way to solve this is using the Pythagoras theorem, since I am seeing a right angle. So I'll begin by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we can say that from the triangle ABD, this is going to be one leg, the other leg, the hypotenuse. So using if you are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, we know the longest side is going to be y squared equals to 3 squared plus what? 4 squared. The other two sides. So y squared will be 9 plus 16. If I take my y squared, I believe this will give us 25. But we are looking for y. So we find the root of y squared, the root of 25, meaning y is equals to 5. Since there's no dimension, the answer will be 5. Then we can also say that from the triangle ABC, the bigger triangle, ABC, the hypotenuse is still what? X. Using the same Pythagoras theorem, we can say the longest side will be x squared equals to this side going to be 4 squared, then the other side, the length is from here up to here, 3, continue to this. So 3 plus 4, that will be 7, so 7 squared. So x squared, 16, 49, x squared, this will be 50, right? 50, so 64. So we find the root of x squared, the root of 64, x will be equals to 8. So if the dimensions are given, centimeter or meter, x will be 8, y will be what? 5, using the Pythagoras theorem. I believe you get it. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.